It's an exciting day, y'all. Why do I say y'all? I'm Aussie, I don't know. It's you guys. Many trips to America pre-COVID. All right, so usually I would hide this, but it is what it is. My top down is an iPhone 12. What? I am here to unbox the iPad Pro 12.9 inch model. This is the 5th generation and it's Wi-Fi and cellular, 1 terabyte. So let's do this. By the way, guys, I have a TikTok, so if you're on the talk, make sure to get on that. Hit me up. I just sliced the box a bit. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Apple. Oh. All right, this is my favorite bit. Ow! ASMR. You're welcome. That will be recycled. All right, here we go. By the way, I haven't had an iPad for a couple of years now. As a tech reviewer, there's a lot of tech to cover and I sometimes just miss stuff. So this is incredibly exciting for me because, wow, I've never had an iPad this big before and it's been a few years. So this is like someone that's never really seen an iPad before at this point. Whoa, that is so cool. Wow, the camera really does look like the iPhone. They're really making everything have a lot of synergy at the moment. Do you vibe me? I'm vibing the synergy. Time to peel. Ooh, baby. That's nice. That's nice. What in the heck? This is huge. That's a nice iPad. If you're an OG, which maybe not, because I've been doing this for over 10 years now, you'd know my channel started as App Chat. So the iPod Touch and the iPad helped me get my start here on YouTube. So I'm really excited to play with this again because it used to be that I'd never miss an iPad release. And yeah, like I said, it's been a long time. All right, we got the documentation. Oh, we have the pin because this is the cellular model. SIM tray tool. And then we have our, wait, what? A USB-C to USB-C? No. This is a USB-C? I'm down with that. So there's not a lot in the box. And I guess I didn't expect much more, but you do have a charger. We love that. I was someone that wasn't really too fussed about missing out on the charger and all of that. In saying that, it is nice to get it included. It's handy and chargers can be expensive. Good ones are expensive. And now I'm gonna move on to this amazing case. At what point does this replace your MacBook? Like, I feel like this is quite big. It's basically a 13-inch Mac. As you can see, I have the new iMac behind me as well, so I'm very curious to compare the thickness of this device to the iMac, so stay tuned for that. I will absolutely compare it sometime in this video. Oh, now, this case looks so sick. The iPad Magic Keyboard. All right. Such a nice box. Sorry, what did you just say? You heard what I said. Ooh, I'm gonna get this so dirty. I wanna not, but you'd better believe I just will. Ooh, that is firm. I've actually never tried one of these cases, but oh, she rigid. Oh, hello. Okay, we've got some documentation as well for the documentation. If you want to see what's up, this is what you get. You can't see, but there's a lot of things. Warranty documents, and then you have nice and simple instructions, which I'm mostly ignoring, and hopefully I can figure it out on my own. Wait a minute, this has a trackpad? Oh my goodness. I'm a little behind. Look, I was Android for a little while. Shh, let's do this. How do we do it? Goodness me, there's a camera cutout, so it's very seamless when you actually pay attention. Oh, look at that, guys. That's just ridiculous. So you've got your case, open. What? That's crazy. The keyboard feels just like a MacBook or an iMac keyboard. Little tracky track. I didn't know you could get a track. Oh, that's very nice. Dang. And then, I mean, it doesn't really need to be something I include in this video. but I'll do it anyway. I also have the Apple Pencil. I've never used the Apple Pencil either. Oh, iPads, welcome back into my life. Did you hear that? That was so satisfying. I was like, boof. Ooh. Oh. Documentation-ish. We got the Apple Pencil. We got some basic instructions, which I think I actually need. Double tap to change modes. Replace the tip. I didn't know you could do that. Mechanically attached to the iPad Pro to pair, charge, and store. It charges from the iPad. Dang. Yo, if you're like watching this being like, how are you so behind, biatch? I have a life. That's how. I actually used to be into art so much when I was a kid. I would draw so much, and I have been thinking for a long time, I'd love to get an Apple Pencil. I'd love to get an iPad and experiment on Procreate, which by the way is awesomely an Aussie app. How cool is that? Hello. Hi. I am gonna set this up later, but before I go, let's compare the thickness of this bad boy to this iMac. I'm just gonna grab it and bring it over here because it's so lightweight, I can do that. Honestly, it's just beautiful. It's a wonder of technology, this thing. It's absolutely incredible. There's the thinness. Look at that. There's an unboxing on my channel and there's more to come. Request things in the comments if you want to see more. But this is what we've all been waiting for. What's that like? That looks pretty close. Now, they're not the same size, and the iPad is thinner. It looks kind of like 2 iPads. I think it's just under 2 iPads. Well, if you have any questions or requests, leave them in the comments below. Make sure to check out my Talk Insta and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.